Usually I'm searching for a cool food truck or unique walk-up for something delicious to try. But as I was exploring Capitol Hill in the heart of Seattle, I stumbled upon a hidden gem that I just couldn't resist.
You know, there's a little birdie in town telling me you got the best ramen in town. Is that true?
I don't know about that. We do our best in town.
As Chong Boon Oi and I take a seat in his restaurant Ooink, the bowl of ramen his wife places in front of me looks incredible, and the aromas are just soothing, warm, and inviting.
Look at that, that's beautiful.
Thank you. Everything this take a lot of time. Right. It's a labor of love. I don't do the magic, it's the time make the magic. Right. You just need to be patient.
Why do you cook such amazing food? What does that mean to you?
I like to eat.
You like to eat?
I really do.
So it's just about your own stomach.
It is not coming from nothing. If we don't have business, at least I have noodle to eat and alcohol to drink. So I'm good for a long time. So I'm fine with that. Cheers for that.
In the Chinese and Malaysian cultures Chong and his wife share, it's a sign of respect to slurp your ramen, letting the artist behind the bowl know that it tastes as good as it looks.
So what's next for you, Chong?
My own ramen give me goosebumps. It's been 5.5 years though. I haven't found one myself.
But you're working on it. Well, I don't know what you're talking about, because this is amazing, and this is giving me goosebumps.
I'm happy with what I do. I'm happy with what I serve.
Well, with flavors like this, I can see why. This stuff's amazing, dude. So, thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.